Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty content each and every week. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure you hit that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And today I have another Five Below haul for you. And before we just jump right into today's video, I just want to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right guys, let's get started. This time I promise you it is not all one brand. I made sure that I got multiple different things. All right, I'm gonna start off with lip gloss because apparently I got two lip glosses and I honestly don't even remember picking the two of these up, but apparently I did. So I got the Wet n Wild Mega Slick Lip Gloss, and this one I got in the shade Nude Mood, and this one is Call Me Boss. So this one is like glittery, and then this one looks like just like a one color. And I can't tell if this is the lip gloss everyone's raving about. I know it's like a Wet n Wild lip gloss, but I honestly couldn't tell. They have like a bunch of Wet n Wild lip glosses there, so if you're looking for Wet n Wild, go to Five Below. Yeah, I picked these two up and I'm excited to try them. They were about like $2.50 a pop, I think, so very affordable. And then I picked up this W7 Blur to Perfection. This is a primer and I'm honestly pretty excited to try this. It looks really good. It says form a filter for smoother, more even looking skin. That sounds really good. That sounds like up my alley. Oh, this is thick. Oh, this has a very strong smell. Now I don't know if I'm excited for it. I don't know. It smells like straight up like floral perfume. We're definitely gonna test this out, so stay tuned for when we do. Now I'm a little scared. I was excited, but now I'm scared. And then I picked up this Wet n Wild foundation. This is their tinted hydrator, and I've heard such great things about this. Like, I've seen it all over TikTok and people have been raving about it. This is so affordable. This was just $5. Like, you can't beat that price for a foundation, especially nowadays. Like, a good foundation is like $10, $15 at the drugstore. So $5, yes, this went right into my cart. I can't wait to try it. And then I picked up an LA Colors liquid eyeliner. I don't have high hopes for this, but we shall see how this plays out on the eyes. Hopefully it's not scented or anything, so fingers crossed for this one. And then I picked up Wet n Wild Bare Focus. This is just like a finishing powder, and I've heard good things about this powder, so I really wanted to try it. This was around $5. I got the translucent shade, so hopefully this works really nicely. I've heard great things about it, so we'll see. And the last thing I picked up was this Profusion beauty book. It's like, look at this. It has a highlighter, a blush, a bronzer, and then all of these are pressed pigments. So I'm really excited to try this out. I've heard great things about Profusion eyeshadows. I think I purchased like one palette from them years ago, and honestly I think I was pretty impressed. I don't know whatever happened to that eyeshadow. I think I got it lost during moving, but I'm excited to try this one out and see how this looks. This was $5, which honestly I felt like this would have been $10, but just based off of the size alone. But no, this was actually $5. And it comes with like a nice little brush down here, so definitely gonna be using that. But yeah guys, that is everything I picked up from Five Below this week. If you enjoyed me testing out affordable makeup, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you never miss an upload. And as always, before signing off, I want to leave you with this: you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right guys, bye.